I love the wind. I love the water. What I don't like is mangled, tangled hair. And what it does, not only to your regular hair, because when I have long hair or I have extensions in, if you go in the water, and I am a water bug, I want to snorkel and their hair gets tangled up in your snorkel and mask. I want to scuba dive. I want to be out paddleboarding and kayaking. And now I'm getting ready to go for a bike ride. Look how easy these are. I think one of the best new inventions ever made. Check this out, so easy. You've got two ends. You take the bigger end, take your hair, it is that, I like to put it through here. This rip tie was created by a girl named Sarah, the owner of the company, and thank you, Sarah. I still kind of braid it up, but you don't have to. You can just take it. Here it is. I'm not going to braid it this time, but I still sometimes do just for the extra, but you don't need to. Even when you have hair extensions, you're sleeping with like a silk pillow to keep them mangled, or you're braiding your hair at night, you don't have to. This is going to save your hair from damage, your extensions. It's going to save your hair. This thing is amazing. Be sure to like separate it in specific places. I got the extra long ones. Wait, let me go again, because I can actually just like really tie it. I love this. And it's so cute. And they come in several different colors. I like these. These are cheerful, these colors. And great for the gym, great for biking. Do yourself a favor, save your hair. So cute, so cute. I'm back, I'm gonna do this one. Just like you would put in your hair in a ponytail. I love it. So simple. What I really hate is when I go snorkeling and my hair gets caught up in the masks. That's so dreadful. And I love scuba diving and snorkeling. I love being out on the water. I wish that they had these when I was younger and I was surfing, because these are perfect. Okay, we're done. And I'm ready to go. I love it. Best new thing invented. I absolutely love it.